I never thought this day would come, but I think I'm officially done with Canva because I can't handle just how perfect it's perfect. If you know me, you know I love my Canva. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Chanel and I love Canva. Canva has single-handedly made it so easy to create, design, just all the things, okay? Canva has made an explosion in the digital marketing world right now, helping people create businesses, careers, digital products, residual income, passive income. It's just it is absolutely the heart right now of making extra money or just having it as a thing that you really want to learn how to do. But you know what? Canva never stops there. They just came out with some new upgrades and some new features that I've already gotten early access to, and I'm going to show you just how perfect they are. If you do not have a Canva account and you're still on the fence, you need to go ahead and join the bandwagon, and now's the time to do it. You can look in the description box, link wherever you're watching this, go find the stuff somewhere, and take a look at the Canva Crash Course. It is a step-by-step guide introducing you to Canva and helping you master the ins and outs so you can enjoy upgrades like the ones I'm about to show you. If you're a pro at Canva, if you're experienced, if you're seasoned, you're going to absolutely love these upgrades. And you need to watch to the end because in true fashion, I saved the best for last. If you're creating digital products or content, social media, you are going to want to explore these new upgrades and just embrace them. Again, if you're already a Canva member, Canva user, you probably got this email this week. If you didn't, make sure you check your spam folder. Make sure you register because every single seminar, webinar, livenar that they've done, I walk away loving Canva more and more. And I always tell myself it's not possible, but it is. They make it possible. So we are going to deep dive into the magical upgrades that they've made to their Magic integration in the software. All of them probably are going to be extremely helpful for you if you are a pro at Canva. And if you're not, it's something to look forward to. Go ahead and like and subscribe so you know when I am coming out with these videos. I love Canva, but I love teaching people how to love it even more. Let's get into the new features. First Magic update, we have Magic Expand. So this is an AI integrated feature that kind of sort of blows my mind, and it's not exactly accurate yet, but I mean, it's pretty close. So you can select a picture and now select a ratio or a space to Magic Expand the picture. So I hit my ratio, I hit expand, and it's going to take my photo, use the power of AI, and expand the photo beyond what is there. Now, mind you, I don't have any legs in this photo, and in the original, there are no legs. It does its best to generate what an expanded photo would look like if I had legs. Now, there are different options. You can click around on all your expanded results and figure out which one you like the best. And zooming in, I mean, let's just be honest, these legs, they are not perfect, but I mean, you could tweak and just crop right at the knee and use this expanded photo if you wanted to. I mean, that's honestly it's not terrible. It's not great, and I'm sure the technology is going to get a lot better, but I mean, it's pretty good. And you can rinse and repeat this and explore all the different ratios as far as how you need your picture expanded. My favorite way to use this feature so far is just literally exploring all the different ratios that it can magically, it's not resize, but it is resize because it can also freeform and expand or bring in to whatever you need. But this Magic upgrade is going to make it a whole lot easier to snap photos right into the right place. This is going to be the moneymaker for anybody who creates content. Okay, so let's say this is The current size for this is an Instagram story. So let's say I'm going to quickly put something together here. Let's do new recipes posted, and it's going to be exciting post. I'm a foodie, and this is what I'm going to put on my Instagram story. This is the finished product of whatever my design is. You can now magically switch and resize this to other formats. Now, you could have done it before. However, Canva has kicked it up a notch, giving you the ability to quickly resize to multiple designs, amongst other upgrades in the Magic Switch section. So if you scroll here, you see all of your normal other resize options. You can also search, but we're going to take this and we're going to format and switch it around a little bit. I think that's why they changed it to Magic Switch instead of resize, because you can do a whole bunch of switching around here. So we are going to take this and we are going to batch repurpose this post. I selected all the formats I want, and look at this. Before you resize, you can preview and make sure you like how they look. But 3-in-1, I've taken this post and I've now created the same post for all of my other platforms. This is golden for those of us who need to repurpose our content across multiple platforms, or to resize designs and examples for clients. In the Magic Switch section, you can now also transform any design into a document. It summarizes your design into a blog, song, or a basic doc summary. Moving right along, we also see that Translate is now right inside our documents in the Magic Switch section. So it used to be a separate app, but now you can just do it right in the design. You just select the translation you want, and it copies and translates it for you within seconds. I also absolutely love that once it's copied and translated, it gives it an appropriate name. So it's no longer like copy of whatever. You've got the name, you've got all of these magnificent switching tools right at your fingertips. Okay, this one blew my mind, and I'm so excited to continue with this because, oh my gosh, this is my logo for my consulting company. Keep an eye out for that. If you go into Edit Photo, you can now magic grab elements from a picture or logo or design or whatever. So if you select Magic Grab, it's going to read and select elements that can be grabbed and removed from the photo. Just that easy. Now, the difference in this and background remover is that it keeps the elements whole. It did eliminate some of my elements just because of how they're blended, but for the most part, I'm able to grab elements straight from the design as if it were a layered vector image. This is going to be most handy with pictures or basically photos that aren't our own. So I'm going to search one. Let's see here. Let's do dog in park. So we're going to scroll. This one has an obvious dog that can be grabbed and removed. Resize just a little bit so you can see Edit Photo, Magic Grab. It's going to read the elements that can be grabbed and removed. That ball is going to stay in his mouth. He is going to be able to be grabbed and moved from this photo. And there you have it. Now I can take this dog and move him around straight from that picture. That's crazy. We can take little Sparky and move him wherever we want in this picture. And it's great because he's already laying down and he's angled perfectly with this background, which makes it really easy to keep using this background and then continue the design if I want. So in the beginning, he was in the middle. Now, if I just absolutely love this design, if I want to take Sparky and move him to the side and put Doggy Day in the park, make this bold, make it a little bigger, I can now manipulate and create a design, and he's out of the way. He's still there. He's still cute. But thanks to Magic Grab, I'm able to put him in a better spot and still use the photo. Blowing My Mind 2.0 is the Magic Text Grab. Similar technology to the Magic Grab before, but with text. So this is a screenshot of one of the photos I used in my Amazon affiliate video. You need to check that out because yes, that says 0. You go to edit photo, you click grab text, and it's going to read the text that's on the picture, and you can now move it from the photo. This photo was a screenshot from my phone because I wanted to show just how much you can save as an Amazon affiliate in affiliate marketing. And I stacked a whole bunch of codes and my total went from $100 to 0. But these are able to be grabbed and moved. I just can't. This is going to be absolutely life-changing for those of us who create digital products and there's a photo with elements or text that we want to keep and we want to preserve, but we just can't seem to grab them and put them where we want. Now you can. And last but certainly not least, Magic Rewrite. Okay, I am inside one of my designs, my Social Boost bundle. Check that out as well. Absolutely going to explode your social media, I promise. But you now have the ability to magic write inside of your design. So you select the text, you click Magic Write, and you can transform it with magic. And look at that. For years, I have been looking to see this. Spell check. Spell check. It's right there. All you have to do is click it and spell checks. But outside of that, you can now use Magic Write to transform your writing. So I selected Fairy Dusk, I think, and it gave it this nice little whimsical rewrite. If we do more formal, it turns it into a comprehensive guide to crafting social media content that effectively drives conversions. Go back, let's try it again. Let's do something more fun. Crack the code to crafting social media content that converts with this ultimate bundle. It takes the magic, it takes the AI, and it takes away the excuse of basically producing products and designs that's just perfectly crafted. This is going to be outstanding for creatives block and when you just need that little extra inspo to add pizzazz. If you are not yet a Canva user, there is a link somewhere in the description, in the bio. Find it, and you can try out Canva free for 30 days. If you're a teacher, an educator, you get Canva for free forever. If you run a nonprofit organization, Canva is free. So just explore the software if you haven't or if you're on the fence. And hopefully these little things just gave you some hope as to what you have to look forward to. If you're already a Canva expert, ain't she beautiful? And if you're in the middle or just joining, just starting out, again, please check out the Canva Crash Course. It is everything you need. Comment if you have questions, or simply comment if you absolutely love this video and all the upgrades they keep giving us, because we don't deserve them. We do though, because we do. Until the next video, happy creating.